This is the elevator at the Bridgewater Common. These are the mall elevators at Bridgewater Commons, Bridgewater, New Jersey. Which floor? 2. Head down to 1.
Thank you.
The ThyssenKrupp. Okay, here we go. So ThyssenKrupp.
Oh. No, you don't like the elevator.
Here we are on level 2. There you go, got the door for you.
Thank you.
Have a good afternoon. Door closed button works. There's a couple of vending machines. These replaced 1988 Dover Scenic elevator with impulse fixtures. It probably had a musical motor. See if anyone called it. These are rather busy. Going up. Have 3. There's California Pizza Kitchen. Elevator number 9. Here we go. Wow, nice motor. Nice, A-flat pitch motor. Now I'll go ride the other one. I'm gonna go ride this one now. Whoops. Now I'm gonna try the elevator number 10.
I'll have to start calling you in Melbourne.
This is the other mall elevator at Bridgewater Commons in Bridgewater Township, New Jersey. These are ThyssenKrupp's Oildraulic. Head down. I hope this one isn't broken. Nope, this one's working. 3rd floor.
They have men's boots by any chance? Question mark.
Chime doesn't work.
I can use a pair as firstborn.
Let's head down to 1. Now I'm gonna ride this one. Let's ride this one now. Here's elevator number 10 actually. Here we go. This one's dark in here. ThyssenKrupp digital indicator. Schindler MT pitch Dover buzz. I say that because MT pitches are like this. Just like that Dover buzz. These have awesome A-flat or G pitch motors. They're probably A-flat. Head up 3. Going up? What floor? Which floor go to?
2, please.
Level 2. What floor?
3.
Same as me. These are installed in 2005. It's a nice elevator. ThyssenKrupp Vandal resistant. Phone doors jammed, which means you'll need a cell phone if you're gonna ride this. And you'll need a cell phone to ride this. Phone card gets jammed up. There you go. Got the door for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. The door closed button works. We like that. Here we go. These are huge. Capacity 5,000 pounds. Yep, these have A-flat pitch dry power motors. There's the alarm bell. No smoking. Control panel. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
On to the next one, come on.
We're going to film the doors closing now. There it goes. And that's it.